Bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. For today's video, we're going to be talking about why your sex is whack. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is vodka and pineapple juice. Really simple for today's video. So go ahead, grab your drink, come back and let us discuss why your sex is whack. If you guys remember a couple of weeks ago, maybe a month ago or so, I did a video on why your head is whack. So this is like a follow-up on that video on why your sex is whack. Okay, now I think the main reason why it's whack is because you're not feeling your partner. If there is no attraction to the person, if you guys don't have a great chemistry, if the energy is not there on both parts, then it's just not going to be good. You're gonna hate it, you're gonna want it to hurry and get off and finish so you can leave, or they can leave, or whatever the case is. So make sure the chemistry is right. Another reason why your sex could be whack is that you are not enjoying yourself. You're not relaxed. If the chemistry is there and you do like this person, let's say you love this person, if you are not relaxed, if your mind isn't clear, if you're not free of all the thoughts of the days and not focusing on what's happening in the moment, you're not going to enjoy it. This is something that I personally struggle with because I think about everything 24/7. I think about the worst possible things at the worst possible time. So I have to make a conscious effort to be focused in the act and make sure that I'm giving enough attention to my partner when we're together. One of the easiest ways to block out everything else that's going on in the world is to have yourself a drink. A cocktail, for me anyways, relaxes me enough to the point where I can enjoy and give my full concentration, my full 100 to the person that I'm with in the moment. Another reason why your sex can be whack is that you're doing the same things over and over and over and over and over and over. Doing the same things, it will become monotonous, it will become boring, and you will lose interest, and in result leading to a whack sexual experience, a whack sex life. It is someone that you're sharing your life with. Okay, try to spice it up, try to switch it up, try different positions, try different toys, try different body parts, try different holes, try bringing in another person, try incorporating food some kind of way, try role playing, try dressing up, try handcuffs, try something that you have not tried before, something that you both agree to, and go from there. That will help to bring in the excitement and the spice and the flavor that is missing to make your sex not whack anymore. Okay. If you are stressed out, this is going to be my final reason, and I want you guys to comment down below. I want you guys to comment down below why you think someone's sex is whack. Okay? I don't want to hear small penis, big penis. I don't want to hear tight vagina, loose vagina. I don't want to hear saggy tits. I don't want to hear overweight. I don't want to hear none of that. I don't want to hear any of that at all, because those are physical things. I don't want to hear none of that. Okay? I don't want to hear that. Now, let me continue to what I was saying. The fourth and final reason why I think your sex is whack is that you are stressed. You are stressed out beyond measure. You are so stressed out that not even the joy of sex can help you relieve that, because sex is supposed to relieve stress. Once you have an orgasm, the pheromones or whatever the frig it's called gets released, and automatically you're in a great mood again. What I will say, because you know what I will say, if you're stressed out and you don't want to put that stress on your partner, masturbate before you have sex. Do that. Jump into your shower, get your little detachable shower head, work your little thing, you know, jack one off if you need to, and then go have sex with your partner, and it will be much better. You'll be able to try all these other new positions and enjoy these new people that you're bringing into the room, and you know, or have it do it in different places. Oh, I should have mentioned that in the third one. Do it in different places. Your car, the park, maybe not the park, maybe, you know, some, because you'll get registered as a sex offender. I'm just saying, you know, do something out of the norm, outside of what you normally do. And that's my 2 cents. Again, please go ahead and leave your tips in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like there's something I should have mentioned that I didn't mention, leave it in the comment section below. If you have a question to ask that you're too embarrassed to ask in the comments, my email is in the description bar, so make sure you guys check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace out and kissy face. Bye.